Welcome back to D-Design. Today we are going to see how to design a simple slider in Figma, and it will be very helpful for the beginners. This is going to be a movie poster slider. Let's start with a frame MacBook Air. Changing the background for visibility and frame background to dark gray. First, start with a frame to create a slider UI. Just give time being a white background. Create a rectangle in the frame for slider image purpose. Give a nice shadow. Next, create another rectangle for the text background purpose. Change the top radius. Give a gradient. Next, use the text tool and type a text. Select a nice font and size. Duplicate it for genre text. Next, go to the plugin panel and search for movies and TV source. I have already selected it and run it. You will see a number of movie details. Select any, apply the details, or give a naming as per requirements to apply the details. Select all the layers and group it. Duplicate it 2 times. Select all the 3 groups and add auto layout option. It will automatically align one by one vertically. Change the direction. Next, change group 2 and 3 slider poster and movie details. Drag the group inside the frame. Change all the details. Next, drag the group 3 to 2. It will swap. Now change the group 3 details. Again drag and drop to swap it. Make the first slide visible in the main frame. When I drag, it may come out of the frame, so make it carefully to place it in the frame. Next, make the slider thumbnails. Move all the layers inside the frame 1. Now we have all 3 slides. Duplicate the frame 1 and move it down. Now keep those 2 frames outside the main MacBook Air frame. Now change the second frame with the second slide as visible. To do so, move the auto layout group to the left. Next, duplicate the frame 2 and move it down. Now change the third frame with the third slide as visible. To do so, move the auto layout group to the left. Now we almost finish all the UI parts of the slider. Select all 3 frames and create component set. Now go to the prototype and give a click event for the slider thumbnail to the respective slides. Now all the basic prototype is finished. Go to main frame and select slider component from component panel. Drag and drop it to the main frame. We have completed all the basic setup for the component slider and preview it. Perfect, it's working smoothly with no issues. Now let's give a small animation with thumbnails. Nice, it's working fine. Next, let's make the slider automatically slide without clicking on the thumbnail. Select after delay option to slide automatically after some time. Yes, it's working as we expected. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit like button and hit subscribe button for more videos. Thank you.